This is the Kenwood Slimline Dishwasher. Click on the link below if you'd like to see where you can get these from. So here I'll just show you what this looks like. You can turn this on. You've got eco, you've got timer, you've got your programs. Rapid 30 minutes, soak 15, auto Let's have a look inside. You've got your rinse aid. Here you can see the storage. These you can fold down or keep up. Take this filter out. You put your salt. Look at the top section. As you can see, even for a slimline dishwasher you can get quite a lot in. And as you can see on the size, the width is about 45, 18 inches, and the height about 85 centimeters high. Just gives you an idea what height you're working with. These are slimline, so they're quite easy to go in your kitchen. It doesn't take up too much space. The electricity is really good on these. They're A+++, so it doesn't use up too much electricity. They're quite cozy in space. As you can see, I've got an extra bit of gap here, which we use our towel rail. Because this is a slimline dishwasher, it's very useful, but it's actually cheaper than some of the other dishwashers because the size is smaller, which is always a bonus.